yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy.
Hey guys, so we're playing Piggy, and no, I'm Piggy. I am Piggy. No, 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 no. I am not going to be Piggy. No, 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 please, please, please. Oh God. Alright, so, yeah, I'm Piggy. I'm going to save my friend for last. I'm just going to type that in first. Alright. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Alright, let me just finish typing that. Alright, done. Alright, let's just get them. Oh, no, no, no. You are not feeding that. You are not feeding that. No, no, no. Please. Oh, 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 oh. No. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. No. No. Oh, my God. No, I killed her. Well, that's all. I've killed, female hiccup. Great. I'm going to stop recording and just still play. Alright guys, that's all. I've killed my friend. I was expecting this to be a lot longer, but no, it wasn't. If I kill one of my friends again, yeah, that's all.
We'll fill the bath, we'll fill the bath, we'll fill the bath, we'll fill the bath, we'll fill the bath with
bubbles. Oh my God, that was so cringy.